Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to upgrade your Nintendo Wii's SD card. So right here I've just got a normal 4GB micro SD card, I'm pretty sure it's SDHC. I'm going to be upgrading this to a 32GB SD card, and it's actually a micro SD card inside an adapter. That works as well. So what you need to do is connect both of the cards to your laptop or desktop computer. You can either connect both at the same time or both separately. But basically what you need to do is format one to FAT32. To do that you just want to right click it, head over to format, and now you just need to select FAT32 and then go and click start. Guys, make sure you format your new SD card. Don't format your Wii's SD card until you finish transferring all the files across. So once it's formatted, make sure you go on your original Wii's SD card and just transfer all of the files across. Guys, keep in mind that this could take quite a long time, so yeah, just let it do its thing. Right guys, so now it's complete. I'm just going to transfer this SD card, plug it into my Wii and just check that everything works. Right guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.